Hi, today we're going to be going over some of the basic tools in Photoshop. There's a lot to go over as far as tools go, so we're going to keep it short as much as possible. So we'll start on the left column here. This is the marquee tool. So if you use click and hold, you can kind of get all the options that are under each tool. So there's a rectangular and an elliptical marquee tool and the single row, single column. I don't really use these two. The rectangular marquee tool, you can draw a square and get that selection in your image, and then let's say you want to copy that and then paste it. You can see if I turn off this background layer that there is an extra layer here that we copied and pasted from the original image. And actually this is the move tool, and if I move that, you can kind of see that I selected that using the marquee tool. And you can use that. You can make an elliptical one as well. You can make it kind of a long ellipse, or you can make a perfect circle by holding shift and dragging. The shift helps to maintain the aspect ratio of the circle. And if you want to deselect your selection, just go ahead and push Command D or Control D, depending on if you have a Mac or a PC. The Mac is Command D, and the PC is probably, I believe, Control D. This is another selection tool here. This is the lasso tool. It's more of like just press down and drag out your shape that you need. It's a pretty quick way of doing it. So you can mess around with that more. Just quickly going over these things. Here's the crop tool. You click on that. You can click and drag, and then you can kind of crop your image. Move in the sides here. Move in the top here. Maybe you want to make a really vertical composition. And then you would push enter to get it to crop down, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to skip over this because that's more of like really specific tool for mostly for portraiture. Clone stamp tools, kind of the same way. It's used in portraiture a lot, but let's say I want to, pick up some texture from this rock. So I grab the tool, I push Alt and click. So it'll pick up this area, and I could actually add that to. Oh, I'm on the wrong layer. Make sure I'm on the image that I want to sample from. So Alt to get the bullseye, and then see how you can kind of move that texture around. Like, let's say I just don't like this texture, or I want to move this, I want to change the texture in here to be more like this. I can do that.